The Fidelity Investment app is a mobile application provided by Fidelity Investments, one of the largest financial services firms. It allows users to manage their investments and track their portfolios on the go. The app offers access to a wide range of financial products and services. The app is designed to be accessible to both new investors and experienced traders, offering tools that scale with your level of expertise. As for the pros of this app, it has a wide range of investment options. The app allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and options, along with retirement accounts like IRAs. Second is no account minimum. There are no minimum deposit requirements for most accounts, making it accessible for beginners. Third is, it is low costs. Fidelity is known for its low fees and commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs. Fourth is the research tools. The app provides robust research tools, including news, performance analysis, and stock screeners, to help users make informed decisions. Fifth is the educational resources. There are plenty of educational articles, videos, and webinars for beginner investors. And lastly is secure and reliable. The app is secure, with features like two-factor authentication, and has a strong reputation for reliability. As for its cons, it has a complexity for beginners. While the app offers lots of features, some users may find it overwhelming at first. Second is advanced features. More experienced traders might feel that some advanced features are harder to navigate or lack customization options. And third is customer service. Some users report delays or difficulty getting in touch with customer support. Overall, the Fidelity Investment app is a solid choice for both beginners and experienced investors, especially due to its low costs and comprehensive tools. And that's it. I think that was enough for this video. I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Please like and subscribe. Also comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then. See you again in the next video.